Hey everybody, welcome to the nightly vid. We have been hard at work, creating some amazing things. We've pretty much nailed down, as far as we're concerned, our investing strategy for our second or our V2 algo, and this is also going to actually apply not just to investing, but intraday. We're just going after the daily basis first, which means, we're going for the swing trades, and you can see just how well this works. If you didn't see the video I posted the other night, a couple nights ago, but every green level is where we want to create a winning position, right? Any green level left here is a winning position that we can still be holding. And then we use our continuity to know when to create winning positions. So we create winning positions all in here, 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 right? Slight red. So maybe we reduce the most recent 5 positions, flips back green, boom, we buy back in, more, right? And you can see how well this is going to work. Every green level is where we want to be buying. And this also gives you a hint as to how you should be trading, right? When we see prices change continuity, that's when you want to expect big moves, right? Like recently, right? They were all green, boom, the month flips red. That's new, right? Where was November's open? November's open here, right? Red month, still red. That's a short, right? This is a downtrend. We're below the month open. That's where that's going to happen. So you can see no buy signals are alerted. This is not a buy. And in fact, we could turn the sell signals on and you'd see this. Gap up sell, potential 3-day, 2-2 reversal. That's one sell signal. That's a second. You're in short, boom. Gap down buy if you're going to reduce it all. Right? Now, in this case, the week and month are red. We don't have to take that buy signal up. We can reduce if we want, but we don't have to get out. Then sell, 2-2 reversal to reduce half. So short, add to your short, reduce half for 15.8 points. And if you guys recall, we had a simultaneous break on Thursday. So if we have our simultaneous break, I'm showing you guys this just because I want to show you what we've been working on and the fact that the strat is not, subjective, so to speak. It's it's objective enough that TradingView can do it, right? Let's see. Invite only. There it is. Whoa, I was wondering why I was lagging. My bad. We go to ES. You'll see 4 of 4. Every index reversed at this point, that's a short. And then they go 258 points. So we can see, right? Very objective. And we can even see the other day, it wasn't all 4 indexes. But we actually did see 2 of them, which in this case, it didn't close in force. So I believe it's actually not going to show. Yeah, where there's some updates I made to make to this. But it's not going to show because it wasn't enforced, but this was also simultaneous reversal, which we saw today on the SPY. So we saw everything reverse today on the SPY daily basis. If we go then into the stats, and actually want the better site, the one you guys are going to be getting soon for Black Friday, if you're interested. If we go into our stats, boom, everything buying into the close. And then daily basis, it wasn't everyone, right? But tech, industrials, healthcares, financials, cyclicals, materials. Is the buyer back? Yup. As far as we know. In the indexes, it was 47, 42. In the morning, it was a little bit better. But we can see, right, definitely intraday buyers, and they were correct. They bought before NVIDIA earnings. They got what they wanted. Market's going to be up. So the question is, are they going to close that stuff out? Or do they believe what NVIDIA is saying, right? It's not a bubble. We should just everyone keep buying. And you can see NVIDIA did have the bullish reversal today. Nice. That being said, going into tomorrow, this is pretty much all the analysis you need. You just go here. We can go here and say, what are the hottest AI stocks? Try to keep it above 1 billion market cap. All right. You want to know what you're trading tomorrow? There it is. This is stuff you can be looking for, right? All related to AI and chips. Is there more of those? Yeah, things like BBAI. Right, we'll see. I'm not sure if NVIDIA earnings is quite going to affect that. They did say positive things about AI, right? And what am I doing? Should be on the lower time frame. You can see they are up, so that's a good thing to see BBAI. And if this goes green on the week, that's potentially firming back up. Now, in this case, the month is still 322 down, so is that going to last? Right? If we compare it to the indexes, inside month, right? So anyone shorting here, they're pretty early because it hasn't even reversed yet. So if this gaps up at all tomorrow, which it looks like it will, you know, those shorts, they might get terrified. And where's the broadening formation? If those shorts get terrified and start getting out, way up there, 686, right? So if we open under 686, we still got a ways to go, and we're nowhere near going to be going 3 unless things change. We go to the US 500. Can you see 322 reversal, right? And that shows up intraday, and then continuation. And notice the broadening formation, lower, low. Then right here, notice if this works, it's going to change the week, 6741. And how do we know it's going to do that? The magnitude of the 22 is right here, automatically plotted for you. So 2-2, there's your magnitude. That would change the week. Then you'd have the quarter, year, week, day. Anyone selling this month, we have no evidence of them. If we are above this, 6742, no evidence of the seller. If we tick up 6788 and then come back in, then the seller's back. So that's what we're going to be watching, as well as the gappers with the AI stocks. If you're in our room, the gap's going to be simple tomorrow. We're just going to go to our watch list. Then we're going to go to gaps down and gaps up, and we're going to look. Right, you can see today we had some pretty nice gaps that we could be playing, and it's that simple. Go check us out, stratalerts.ai. If you go to stratalerts.ai and you go to the start here for free button, you can sign up to our newsletter, get updates, offers, etc. We do have Black Friday stuff going out soon, so if you ever wanted to get a part of the group again or get access to this awesome software and the algos we're creating, this is where you want to go sign up. That being said, have a good rest of your night. And I'll see you guys bright and early in the morning with the gappers. And maybe we even go live on YouTube tomorrow publicly. Adios, guys, and hope to see you there.